Hello. So basically, what I want to do today is Uncanny Valley makeup. Keep saying it. I want to try it. One thing I don't have is glue stick right now. I don't know where I put it after that whole drag queen makeup. I'm just gonna cover my brows with foundation and hope for the best. I'm just gonna take my glasses off. Oh, I didn't even grab my foundation. Let me grab my foundation. I'm wasting my good foundation for this. Purely eyeliner and contour. We got this palette. I'm gonna be using that brown one. I got rid of the expired one finally. I got this eyeliner. Oh, it's a brow pencil, but we're gonna use it as eyeliner. I don't care. We got contour. Of course, we got the foundation. All you do, cover your whole face with your foundation. Oh lordy. Cover your whole face in foundation. I might even do the lips. I'm gonna cover the brows as well, as much as possible. I feel like that covers it more, so that's perfect. Probably should not be using my expensive foundation, but you know what, oh well. Ooh. I guess that's good enough. Cover the lashes as well to kind of make them more uncanny. I see people for like the lips at least, they'll take a brush. I might need to get, well, just to blend more. Not the brown. Oh, I'm gonna do a thumbnail where my face is in there. Oh my god, I'm so smart. I'm gonna do the lips. How do people do it? So you trace your smile lines. I'm gonna do blend it a bit. Okay, so I'm under the eye. Oh, another one here. Just to put brown everywhere. I'm gonna be so proud. So I can make myself look like a black eye, basically. And take the contour. I just completely covered my lip. I just didn't realize. You know, whatever. I'll just fix it again. I have to do brown to make it more dramatic, actually. Basically, just do what I just did. Just do like con makeup even. Can you even see that? Oh my god, I feel like you can definitely kind of see it. Is it creepy? I don't know. For me personally, I feel like a little creepy. Let me add some lip tint to give myself some life. I look like a man. You need to see what I'm seeing. Oh yeah, this looks creepier. Oh, ew. Oh my god, I think I did it. Watch. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think I did it. I think I did it, guys. Can't see on here, but I'm gonna show you. My camera picked it up, but my phone. That was pretty much it. I think I was successful in it. I look pretty creepy, bro. This is my opinion. Ew. Yo, you see what I mean? Over here, though, I look too lively. Thank you for joining me on my little venture to make myself look like a hell spawn. Good evil looking thingy. If you like this video, this simple trying blank makeup or attempting blank makeup, like and subscribe. I'd like to do more. I feel like it could be fun. I'll see you guys again later. Bye. I'm editing right now. It's the way I just never use the brow pencil is what gets me.